welcome to Mother Rabbit's Kitchen. We're gonna do a really quick video just to show you how to make the easiest, healthy cookies for your toddler, for your kids. Our kids of all ages love these cookies. So they're gonna be banana, peanut butter, oat, honey cookies. Today, I just usually do however many bananas I have that are getting really overripe. And then I just kind of use the same number of eggs and number of scoops of oats, and then add some peanut butter and some honey. So I'm gonna keep it really simple today. I'm gonna do 2 bananas, 2 eggs, 2 cups of oats, a scoop of peanut butter, and about 2 big tablespoons, 2 big squeezes of honey and a pinch of salt. So come on, Cam, let's do these bananas. Do you wanna mash them for me?
No.
You wanna mash that? I'm gonna use my pastry cutter to mash the bananas, but you can use a potato masher, or you can just get your hands in there and squeeze them. Or your kids, they probably love that. All right, you gotta mash, 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 good job. Okay, let me help you, okay? Good job, mashy, mashy, good job. Okay. You're doing a great job. These cookies are so great because you can freeze them. I just throw the extras in a Ziploc bag, pop them in the freezer, and then depending on the size that you make them, you can give them for their entire lunch. Sometimes his lunch will be just like 1 big cookie and it's got your oats and your peanut butter and your eggs and your bananas. Like, how healthy is that? So no guilt in this cookie at all. All right, good job. Just gonna finish mashing these up really quick. All right. Good job, buddy. Okay, you wanna do the eggs for me? Here, you crack the egg. Can you crack the egg and put it in? Good job, 2 hands. Good job. Good job. Great job, buddy. All right, there's a little bit of a shell. We're gonna take that out and you do the other one? Okay, crack it in. Good, 2 hands. Oh, okay, over the bowl. Come on. Wow, great job. Whoa, that is 1 cracked egg. Very good. Need a baby wipe? I think we all do. There you go. All right, we're gonna put in our 2 cups of oats. These are just quick cooking oats. You could use regular oats. 1, thank you, and 2. You pour. We're gonna get a big scoop of peanut butter. You do it? Okay, you wanna lick this? Here, you wanna lick this? There you go. That's a little mid-morning snack for you. We're gonna do a pinch of salt. You wanna do a pinch of salt? Just a tiny little pinch? Tiny, no, tiny, tiny, tiny. Okay, very good. Squeeze some honey. Squeeze, so that's about 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. Maybe that was a little over, but you know, the sweeter they are, the more your kids will like them. So, and they're still really healthy. So we're just gonna mix this up together. This is so easy. I have my oven set to 350. I have 2 baking sheets. You wanna stir it? Okay, I'll hold your peanut butter spoon. You stir it. I have my oven to 350. I have 2 baking sheets with parchment paper on them. And this will probably make, probably like 6 to 10 lunch-sized cookies, or maybe 5, I don't know. It just depends on the batch that I'm making. So I just really wanna blend everything really well. The eggs are really what help bind the cookie and keep it from falling apart. The oats help with that as well. This is really just kind of like oatmeal in a cookie. You could bake it in bars if you want and then cut them, but I find this to be so much easier. You wanna taste it? I've said this before on my videos that I used to have a rule about tasting raw eggs. I really don't care anymore. We've never had an issue. If you have a problem with it, then you don't have to taste it. But we like to have a little rebellious fun in the kitchen, so we're going for it. Oh, wow, you don't need a handful. Okay. All right. So that is good. This is what it should look like. Nice and soft, but kind of coming together. So I'm gonna start scooping this in little cookie shapes. I know you wanna taste it. All right, all right. Oh, Cam. All right, he's grabbing it by the handful. Okay, that's fine. And then I know Andy's gonna come home from school soon and he's gonna want one of these for his lunch. He always asks for these.
They're happy.
You would think it would just be a toddler thing, but Andy's 5 and he loves them. All right, so I've got, oh wow, this is making a lot. So I've got 6 on this tray. And let's see.
I'm gonna taste it.
All right, let me get my other tray. Hold on, you've tasted it already a lot. Here, get your card. Let me get, let's see how many I can get on this tray. Whoops, I'm making a mess. 1, 2, oh wow. You really are making a mess. Let's see if we can get one. Oh, Cam! Oh my gosh, there goes that cookie. Cam, are you nuts? Are you nuts? All right, that I'm just gonna form back with my hands. Cam, you're so silly. Okay, so I have 6, 7, 8, 9 cookies. That's pretty good. These are kind of like lunch size or even just like a nice size snack size. I'm gonna put these in the oven and they will be ready to eat in about 10, 12 minutes, depending on the size. All right, these just came out of the oven. They're super hot, so I'm just gonna let them rest for a few minutes before I give them to Camden. And they were in the oven for a total of 14 minutes, and now they're perfectly ready to eat as soon as they cool. Is that tasty? You like it? Good job.